The third generation Mitsubishi Outlander encompasses model years from 2013 to 2021. Shown here is a 2018 model. Online guides show that the interior colors are listed as black only. However, as you can see, brown was also available on GT trim levels. One of the unique aspects of this vehicle includes the shifter. You'll notice that it does not look like a traditional automatic transmission shifter. This is because we're looking at a PHEV model of the Outlander. There is no L mode in this vehicle, as it was replaced with Mitsubishi's implementation of regenerative braking, B mode with levels 0 to 5, representing the amount of braking enabled. In the rear, the hybrid battery prevents the option of third row seating. In place, there is a traditional cargo area, offering 30.4 cubic feet of storage. With the seats folded down flat, that area expands to 78 cubic feet of storage. The interior features 3 12-volt power adapters, plus 2 USB ports for wired Android Auto or Apple CarPlay.